Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania. Guess what? Fun day, fun day, fun day. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watching my videos. Share this video. Check out the highlights. 3 contestants are competing for a prize worth 12,000 Jamaican dollars. But guess what? Guess what? Yes, you have guessed it right. They do not know what the prize is. Can you think what the prize is? Leave it in the comment section below. Laugh till you kin over and make this video make your day. Watch till the end to see our winner. Start from ankle. 2. People from all over the world. The first activity that we're going to give our contestant is that I have 101 elastic bands, and it's going to be groups of 3. So we have 3 main contestants that are vying for the prize. 101 elastic bands. They have to take the elastic bands and they have to build a Chinese skip. While they build a Chinese skip, they now have to compete and go all the way to the top. Whoever build the Chinese skip first and win all the levels from the toe to the to the knee, to the bottom, to the waist, to the arm. Height is in it too?
No.
To the neck. Our neck. We're going to stop it at neck. And neck is a jump over. And whoever does that activity the fastest, they will become the winner of the prize. So 101 elastic bands were being handed over. I want to do it. And you're going to begin now after. Alright, so we have our first contestant over here. She said that she will work on her own and she's building. Let me see what's happening. You see what I'm talking about? When you get the help, it makes it a little bit easier. Yes. So Cherisha has gotten help over here. She's working with this young man. And they're building away. Oh my God, this is so creative. Look at this. So she's working. Remember guys, they have the option to get somebody to work with them, to get somebody to help them. And it's only Charissa so far has asked for the help. Akila is moving away and she's using her toes. Guys, remember, I did not instruct them and tell them what a Chinese skip is. But they're building. I think you should get some help. Remember, you're gonna have to get 2 people to hold it for you as well, you know. All right, she's very focused. This is very skillful.
I mean, I know I'm using most of mine already.
Yeah, right.
So you have to ensure that all the 101 elastic bands are used up. Gail is so focused over here. Remember guys, you have the option in getting somebody to assist. You can call on anybody to hold it for you, to help you to put them on and to do what you have to do.
Everything? I'm trying to keep. I want to play the game I part. So I want to play the game. Me tell you, me gonna beat. Watch what me. But I have style and skill.
So you're going to win. Why you think you're going to win this
Because
competition?
I have the knowledge. Full of tactics over here.
All right. So Akila is very knowledgeable and she has the tactics to win. Oh, she asked for help finally. Finally, she has just asked for some help.
That's how it's supposed to go.
Yeah, she has gotten some help over here.
That's right. Do your thing, bro.
Yeah, man, she's working. She's working. She's working. Gail, you sure you don't want any help? Yeah, see, I have a little doggy right here and a doggy. You want to help Gail over there? I guess not. All right. No. It's only one person.
One person.
Yeah. Put down the elastic bands.
Me just ask him, me just ask him.
Remember, you get the one help already. He now can probably hold it.
I hit me and ask him if he can.
One car come.
Hey,
Come cross the road.
come quick.
Done.
Much time?
Yes, that's
A 101, you know? What you think?
Alright, we know me and go.
Go fast. Need more?
Gail, with that tactic, you're sure that it will be long enough?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, we did not tell them what a Chinese skip is, but you have to be knowledgeable about it.
Uncle. Come here, Lean. Uncle. Learning, come.
We have one finish, her 101 already, and got her 2 people. Oh my, come on, you guys need to move a little faster. All right, so let me just, this is the one that I want.
I'm a sportswoman,
So I want you to jump in, jump on the line, jump off, jump in, jump out. You get that? In, on, out, in, out. All right.
So how you gonna bring it up here?
Yeah, man, you can't jump it, man.
in, over, on, in.
No. Come again. In, on the line, over, in, out. Yes, knee now. In, on the line, over, in, out. Very good. Come on. Akila is leading. In. Oh, you're out. You have to start back from ankle. In. Oh. Yes, knee.
Wait, don't do no foot.
Come over this side. Cherry Sach, stretch it on this side. Beside her. No. You can't wait for Gail. Who first win.
Who first win?
Yes.
Akila, you have to start off.
No, because Akila pull it out and get our people them.
No, use your hand up in it.
In.
No, that's it.
Remember, if you're out, you have to start back.
In now.
Put it on an ankle.
Aye.
Yes, Akila. We have Charissa starting from out. Start again.
Up in your foot. Let it go. In.
On the line, over, in, out. Yes. Oh, she's at waist. No, your waist must be a little higher. Yes.
Why don't you look a bit that way? Look a bit more. Why don't?
Out. Start out. Start from ankle. Yes. Each time you're out, you have to start over. Bottom. Put here your bottom. Yes.
Why don't you jump?
All right, we have another team about to start.
Go. One more.
Go on your ankle.
Yes.
Alright, so Gail is starting over there. Alright, she's at waist. Come on, Akil, you have to hurry up. She's at waist.
Go.
Why don't you like? No, sir.
No, what you doing? No.
You have to put me in foot.
Wide it out. You know, widers would be like this. Show them. Show your contestant how to do the widers.
No, until you move. Come. One look at this. Come. Hold like just wide out a little bit. Hold it like Ruth, you ready?
You can do it, man. Out. Start over. Remember, Gail, you have to follow the one that I taught, you know, in, on the line, over, in. But me see I do some twist up, something.
In.
Out.
Why?
Start from the knee, ankle. Start from ankle. Oh boy, I thought somebody would win already. Oh my. But we're going. This is fun. Come on, Akila, start up. All right. All right, you can ask the person to help you that is holding, if they can play. What up? All right, Akila. Each time Akila out at waist. But girl over here said do totally different something, man. And we never do that. We never do that stylish thing, yeah?
It's the same thing.
No, you oh.
Look, I'm gonna do it. Up and the line. Out.
No, but you don't have to remember, so you want to win the prize, so you move on as quickly as possible.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing.
But you style it up.
No, but that's what I'm doing. I said do.
But remember, I show you how to do it to win the prize, you know.
Oh, you sure? Show me again.
All right, so you jump in on the line, over, in, and out.
That's it.
Do it fast.
Why don't know? Yeah.
Arm.
Why am I jumping? How many I kill myself?
What you the neck now?
No, I'm not.
Neck is jump over. If you're the arm and you reach, neck is jump over. So you have to jump over it. How many times I jump over?
Look,
4 times. Then hold it together and you jump over it.
Hold it together now, ready?
2. Try again. Just keep trying till you go over. 3. You jump over a neck already?
No. What you say?
Remember, neck is jump over. So guys, this is our winner, Akilia.
Man.
Yeah. How do you feel, Akilia?
Really tired right now.
All right.
I feel good, I'm a winner.
So the prize here, Akilia is going to reveal her prize. No, you have to reveal your prize.
Reveal the prize.
Just put it on the ground.
Tired man. Can you put give me now?
Yes. So let us see what Akilia has won. Wow.
Hey.
And it's a Hamilton Beach toaster. Guys, isn't this fun? How do you feel about your prize?
I'm feeling really good about the prize. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Let me see.
Yes, I can't read it right when I can't do. Really, really fun.
Say it again. It
was really, really fun.
All right, guys. So we have given away our first prize. What do you think? Do you think she deserves it?
No.
You have. You have seen. You have seen the activities.
She started over about 10 times. And at the end of the day, she turned out to become the winner. So we are just grateful. Tune in until we are there for our next giveaway, our next game. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of